Hello, literacy class. This is our quick Wednesday message. We only have one more Wednesday message next week. And then the week after that is finals. So we're doing okay. There's not a whole lot to tell you about this week. We're finishing up our writing. So this week, what you were supposed to do is go on course content. And there's a reading for this week about assessing writing. And here's my PowerPoint on struggling writers and a recording of that PowerPoint. There are no videos in that PowerPoint, so you do not need to listen to the recording or vice versa. If you listen to the recording, you don't need to watch the PowerPoint. So either on, they can stand on their own. But here's what you are supposed to do this week. Your final copies of your writing are due. It is due. Your writing is due. The final copies are due. So what you want to do with that final copy actually is that you actually want to submit it under discussion board, because you get points for submitting it, but you also get points for commenting on two other people's final papers. So I see 7 of you as of right now have submitted theirs. So I see a bunch of you right there. So awesome. So please make sure you do that. Also, you have a reflection on your writing, and that is here in the announcements. Right here, what did you learn about yourself as a writer? How did the editing process help improve your work? And how did this make you think about writing in the classroom? So you have 2 options for this. Option 1 is you can come to our Friday Zoom meeting. Our meeting is from 12 to 1 on Friday, and then discuss your reflection, and then you don't have to type anything for me. So you come and talk, and then you get your 2 points. I think it's 2 points, 3 points. Or if you can't come from Friday 12 to 1, or you just really want to type it out because you're that kind of learner, then type out that reflection and submit it under submit assignments right here. So really that's your final copies to discussion board, your reflection either during our Zoom meeting or to submit assignments. That is what's due this week. I do want to remind you, however, that next week is the grammar fair presentations, and we'll talk about that in the Friday message. We'll also talk about your inquiry projects and your strategy notebooks. So again, we're at the end, and I look forward to seeing as many of you who can come on Friday.